take your positions first with a copy of the book each. But we do the unveiling first before you hand over the copies to them. And so it is my honor and privilege to then invite, to join them at this auspicious time, the bridge builder, building bridges between nations of the world. We invite Your Imperial Majesty, Oba, I beg your pardon, Your Imperial Majesty, OONI of Ife, and Itomoasi or Jaja II. Can we please have Daddy join them for the unveiling of his very book on Iyalaje, the CRADLE of the world. We also invite the wife of Senator Duduyemi to join them. The wife of Senator Duduyemi. Distinguished Senator Binta Masigarba, please join them. Royal Drummers, Your Imperial Majesty will then do the unveiling supported by the author, one side, the OLORI'S and the KBCs and the illustrious sons of Oodua nation that have been invited to join them. Can we please? Okay, please, Senator. Okay, Chief of Naval Staff's rep, you can join them here. We invite the Vice Chancellor of the University of Ilorin. We invite Mama Kolade to please join them. Mama Kolade, please. We also invite Mama Adura. Unveil the book first, then you'll come up here with for the public presentation. I need you to take your positions first with a copy of the book each. But we do the unveiling first before you hand over the copies to them. And so it is my honor and privilege to then invite, to join them at this auspicious time, the bridge builder, building bridges between nations of the world. We invite Your Imperial Majesty, Oba, I beg your pardon, Your Imperial Majesty, OONI of Ife, and Itomoasi or Jaja II. Can we please have Daddy join them for the unveiling of his very book on Iyalaje, the CRADLE of the world. We also invite the wife of Senator Duduyemi to join them. The wife of Senator Duduyemi. Distinguished Senator Binta Masigarba, please join them. Your Imperial Majesty will then do the unveiling supported by the author. One side, the OLORI'S and the KBCs and the illustrious sons of Oodua Nation that have been invited to join them. Can we please? Okay, please, Senator. Okay, Chief of Naval Staff's rep, you can join them here. Okay. All right, so His Imperial Majesty. Okay, you can come up, Senator Peter, and of course the military officer wants one. 1 second, sir. Yes, sir. KBC, to the glory of God and the benefit of mankind and humanity. Senator Peter, where are you, man? Okay. Okay, please. Okay. All right. To the benefit of mankind and humanity. And for the understanding of the history of the great people of Ile-Ife and the entire Oodua nation worldwide, His Imperial Majesty, the OONI of the Source, unveils the book, The Cradle of Civilization, written by Ambassador Maureen P. Tamado, PhD. We can hear that applause for His Imperial Majesty. The Cradle of the World, written by Ambassador Maureen Tamado, PhD. Thank you very much. Can we then stand in a manner that we can then do the public presentation by holding this book to your chest and not block your faces so that everyone can show it to the world? I wish we could come up to the stage because the platform you're standing is a bit congested. So Your Imperial Majesty, sir, so that I don't belabor you with having to move around, I wish you'd honor us by having to okay. His Imperial Majesty, you know that he is a very wonderful organizer and he's agreed to stand here where the rest of you, some of you can stand with him, and then the next layer of persons will be the ones on this platform. The VC Iyalaje, by the way, here now. So please, Your Imperial Majesty, sir, please can we pave way for him as he comes here to this lower platform? He'll stand with his OLORI'S and the book, the author of the book, Ambassador Tamado. OLORI'S and Ambassador Tamado will stand with him on this platform. The rest of you, Senator Binta, Masigarba, and the Obas and KBCs that we invited will be standing up here. But please, when you stand, Chief of Naval Staff's representative as well, please remember to hold the books to your chest because this means so much. Please, Emma Bosa, come to the platform up here so you can be seen. Come to the platform so you can be seen. The staff of office of His Imperial Majesty must be close to him and up behind and above his head so he can be seen. Thank you. And so, ladies and gentlemen, this is the official presentation of the book, Ile-Ife, Cradle of the World. A round of applause for all of them, please. Thank you very much. The unveiling has been done. And please, we want that you help us, apart from KBC, the rest of you, please keep the books where we'll get them back to you. Until you pay for them, they are not yet your copies. This is where money speaks. KBC will return to his seat. KBC, but said. Please, a round of applause for Imperial Majesty and his OLORI'S as they return to their seats. Thank you so very much. Can we have the books back yet for now? Emma, take below. Sorry. Okay. Please, can we return the books? If you've taken one, please, you are owing us. If you've taken a copy of the book already, it means you are indebted to us. And you're not just indebted to us, you're indebted to Ile-Ife. Okay, fine. So, we're ready. We're ready for the lunch proper. Professor of History, who is coming up? Professor Chinya Oyerosho. Prof, where are you, sir? Please, give him a round of applause one more time.